Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the AI Magic Eraser in your gallery on Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First, let's open Gallery on this device. Then select a photo which has an object on it that you want to erase. So in this case, it will be this logo. Now to do that, we're gonna have to tap on the photo once, then tap the edit icon at the bottom bar. And then let's go to the Create tab. In Create tab, select Erase. And then select what you want to remove. We can either remove objects or people or reflections, or we can select just manual remove and then just draw what select what we want to remove from this photo. In my case, it's an object, therefore I'm just gonna select an object, and we have two ways to do that. So either circle or wiping. So if you select circle, you just have to draw a circle with your finger around the object, or wipe, which means that you have to brush your finger over the object that you want to erase. Let's use the first option. Let's draw a circle around the object. Tap Start and let the AI do the rest. And it's done. Now tap OK. Let's save the photo, and this is what it looks like right now. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.